so we always just gotta check our answer. If that's true, then f composed of g of x, this is what it's asking us to do, this is what we'd get. Okay, and there's more than one answer to some of these, but here's the most common answer for 14. You probably see this big picture as, all right, I have something to the fifth power. And then we just substitute something in. So we can call f of x, x to the fifth power, g of x, the input, 4 minus 3x, right? And then just check it out. Check your answer. Is f composed g of x? Start from scratch with what you just wrote down. When I take g of x and plug it into function f, what would that look like? It would look like this. Okay, it matches up with what they want us to do. So that's what they mean by decomposing. You're breaking that down into two separate functions using some reasoning. Okay. All right, try 15. There's not too many different answers you probably get on 14, but 15, I think there are a few different responses we might see. All right, let's try one more of these. 15. All right, two common responses we see here. Some students would put 3 over the fifth root and then just put x. And now what do we need to plug in there? G of x would be 2x plus 7 right in there, okay? Or here's another response. Some might just leave the fifth root to the other function. So you could do 3 over x, and now when I plug this entire thing in there, that's what I get. So those are your options. Okay, so all we have left for tomorrow, I'm going to save the applications for tomorrow. I'm not going to squeeze it in. I'll give you some time to work here. Last 15 minutes, we're going to work on this composition problem here, which basically, if we practice our compositions today, get good at it, it's going to be a lot easier. If you don't know how to do compositions, it's going to be tough. So work on the skills, so that's easy tomorrow. And then this 18 tomorrow, these difference function, we're going to work on that one as well, okay? By the way, directions. Let me pause this for a moment. Okay, when you get to this set, the composites in the book don't have a lot of the number ones where you plug in. So when you look at 30, 32, and 34, they're just the function type. So I'm adding a part D that I want you to do. Okay, and I'll provide you with those solutions tomorrow. I'd encourage you to not go back and reuse part B in case you messed up B. All right, I'd like you to have the other strategy that I went over today ready to go. So add part D to these 3 problems. Okay, the G composed of F with -2.